Hi, welcome to Cree News. We will get you our company developing news. I'm Pichaya Sivakumar. These are the headlines.
Our JSW EBL electrical team avoided the unnecessary repairs through MCSA. Best maintenance is one in which the machines are allowed to run in a good way and preventing the repairs for a good running. To do this, preventive maintenance is a good way, and our organization used vibration analysis, oil analysis, and MCSA motor current signature analysis, and also thermography to predict the repairs before itself and also to prevent the breakdowns. In this way, in our JSW ABL site during MCSA experiment in conveyor 10 315 kV and lime compressor 1 400 kV HD motors rotor was about to get damaged, which was found early, and according to guidance of the client, both HD motors have been replaced with all safety measures which ensure the reliability of the machines. Our PPT mechanical team reduced the cost of goods through their innovative ideas. Idler plays an important role in running of conveyor and also prevent the depreciation of the conveyor. In this, while changing the coal from one conveyor to another through jet to avoid the damage in belt, impact idler has been placed, and also ring idler has been placed in return side of the conveyor. Impact rubber will be placed in the belt to clean the coal which have been sticking in the belt. The function of this have been monitored by daily patrolling, CBM, preventive maintenance, and replaced correctly. Then the idler has been grouped into two. One is reusable and another one is not reusable. Reusable idler can be used again by changing the parts like bearing, seal kit, and rubber ring. Both impact idler and return idler is active in overhauling. Since rubber is also placed in the belt, it gets depreciated easily and there is lot of chance for the belt to get damaged. Thus, by continuous monitoring, the rubber is replaced then and there, and also to prevent the rubber from coming outside, 6 to 8 mm wire has been welded around it. To do this welding, cutting set oxygen DA has been used, but now due to COVID situation, there is scarcity of oxygen, and thus our mechanical team designed a spanner-like tool to do the welding without using the cutting set oxygen DA. Thus, they reduced the cost of oxygen DA, and this was appreciated by our PPT site higher officials Mr. Mohan and Mr. Ramesh, and also they encouraged our employees to continue these innovative ideas in future. Our JITPL C&I team got appreciation from the client. Our JITPL C&I team has done modification in 2 Wipro feeders out of 10, and the details are below. Our C&I team and mechanical team worked together and made the Wipro feeder to run empty, by which the feeder has been stopped. They fitted a limit switch in the flap and connected the PLC with the feedback. So, when the Wipro feeder runs empty, it will stop automatically without getting the feedback. Further, the truck hopper has been modified to switch on only when the coal is loaded fully, which increase the belt utilization and also reduce the manpower deployment. By knowing this valuable use of the modification done in Wipro feeder, our client plant head Mr. A. Arkat, head operation Mr. S. Samantha, GM of operation Mr. Pinaki Guha, and our site owner Mr. P. Muthuswamy, and also other higher officials of the site appreciated our C&I team for this wonderful job.
These are the development news from Crew. Subscribe YouTube channel Crew Media. Thanks for watching.